Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, front license plate bracket, front wheel drive. Come take a test drive today.